We have less than 30 days until complete destruction, disaster. We are sleepwalking into doom, and it's starting over in China, and it's failing. It's also disinflation, deflation in China, and they are bringing that this way, and they can't fix it. And as you know, inflation, that's an easy one. The Fed, we got this. Oh, you guys want stimmies? Here's 10 trillion, right? Go ahead, spend away. Inflation, easy. Deflation, governments don't know what to do. Stagflation, neither. Those are the two bangers. But we're going to go into China rolling over. What is happening here? Banks, Moody, all the ugly stuff. Because you come here for ugly, right? Also, shout out to the IRS. Congratulations. I just want to give a congratulations to the IRS for winning the $1.58 billion lottery ticket. Congratulations. And this is a perfect example, which I try to explain to you guys on this channel. The more you make, the more they steal from you. Well, if you make more, you should have to pay more. Oh, that sounds pretty fair, right? I guess I'll stop working every day of my life, and that's why you start businesses, because you need write-offs. When you get a check for $1.6 billion, and you only get to keep, that's what I feel like. And I know everyone's like, oh, why are you crying? You got 493 million. That's not the point. But I do think you're going to be seeing a lot of China in the news. Do you guys catch this fight? Pentagon officials panic after Chinese president shows up to fight them in parking lot. It is a fake story, just like Elon and that other guy, Mark, they're not going to cage fight. It's like the world we live in. It's hard to tell what's the truth. The truth and the lie. Pick which story. And then it's like, oh, you were wrong. Oh, I couldn't believe that. And this is crazy. The Chinese property market is likely the largest asset class in the world. That would be the world. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. You guys want to see where we're at? We got a little bar, right? That's our big. Well, at least you're not, Japan, right? They have little baby bars. I mean, in a measuring contest, China, we're gonna give it to you. But I don't know if you've caught this, and these things take time. And here is the time. Country Garden expects first half loss. Oh my gosh, the commercial real estate, not just here, everywhere, the world. Chinese builder previously didn't give specifics for loss size. Well, it's a big one. But the good news is they have looks like they have a debt management team here that they're going to fix it. I don't know how you fix dumpster fire. World trade tumbles into recession. But the market went up today. China's flagging. I mean, I don't know what kind of performance that is, but it's not a good one. So welcome world, welcome recession, but we're okay over here in America. We're not. And this is what's happening. Deflation, okay? Think of depression. Everything's bad. Prices come down. Oh, they're going to be sticky, but they're definitely not moving up. What deflation in China means for the world? Well, they're going to export their deflation. We export inflation, but not for long. Well, I guess that just depends on if they buy the bonds or not, which they are. They're still doing it. Everything that the Treasury is issuing, people are just gobbling them up. Treasury auctions, what investors can expect in the bond market. Everyone is buying them. The long dated, the short ones, everyone seems to want our debt. I mean, this is coming in within hours ago. Wall Street falls hard for once unloved Treasury bonds. Everyone just loves debt. So we will continue to issue debt and inflation, and people will continue to buy it. That is until it all just blows up, which I hope you guys have an island. And also CPI be dropping like a rock. I know it had a little tick today, just a little baby one. So basically today's CPI was like, meh. I mean, a little tick. You're going to have those. You should see how they calculate those. It's just crazy. And then this one, you have producer price index. Okay. That's in blue. By commodity. And then you got the sticky icky in green, just a little bit, but that's going to stick, guys. You think your barber's going to go, you know what? We're just going to go ahead and lower the prices. Once they're up, they're up. So some things stick, other things don't. China, deflation. Come on, deflation. Bring us some deflation. Also, they're working class, right? one kid policy, they're not going to have anyone over there. This is just, it's all deflationary. Actually, how are you going to be the superpower if you don't have anyone there? Did you ever think of that, ESG? China deflation threat grows as company cut prices to survive. Sounds like depressionary. So, and here's a cool little thing for you gold enthusiasts out there. I do have my gold bar right here. Okay, all right, let me put that back down. I'm a fan of money. China is currently buying a lot of it. Isn't that great? Just strike up the printing presses and buy gold. Wouldn't it be that easy? You just sit home. You're just like, how much did you print out today, Jeffrey? All right, let's go to the coin shop and buy ourselves some gold. 23 tons of gold in 9 straight months of purchases. Total rise to a record. Look at that. They just keep on, where'd it go? It's right up there. They just keep on buying. How about those markets today? Talk about, give me a bag to vomit in. I felt like I was trading crypto. Barely like 0.03. The NASDAQ, wow, these things were just whipping around. But the question is, should you buy gold? And the answer is, well, if Bravo has it, maybe you should have it too. Oh, this is traded on the 1 hour, or you could trade it on the 1 hour. For those of you that are like, well, what are we doing on gold? Well, gold, this is if you're trading it. If you want to hodl it, you can always hold. It's just money. It just sits there. It's pretty. See? You can even see the reflection. Can you see? I don't know. Probably see my light. Sorry. Saw a squirrel. So gold, when it breaks that, it's going to come right to here. Isn't that great that you have indicators? Link in the description if you want to use them. Also, I redid my oscillators. They're so sexy. This is so awesome. Look at, reversal. Actually, someone just emailed me. It was yesterday or the day before. And then I deleted it because I get so many emails. But you're like, this should be illegal. They're rad. I'm telling you, you got to do it. If you are traders, I mean, look at this. Let's just take the last. Okay, let's go. Okay, you're in a channel. Put in a short right there. If you break that, oh, what happens? You hit price target, right? Oh, okay. So there's one out of one. Then it's going to bounce. I'm going to tell you, it's going to bounce on this reactor. See that? What did it do? Okay, 2 out of 2. Then it's going to go up into your 9 count right there on gold. It's going to get reversed out of that. That's 3 out of 3. Then it's going to come down here. Oh, you got a 9 count, but you're continuing to sell off. So you should have a bounce coming, just to let you guys know. But on gold, this is a very dangerous, you do not want that turning red. And you definitely don't want to drop below that, which I think it's in the cards. Just not right now. So chill, okay? You got to bounce. You'll have a good little swing trade on gold. So if you want to pick up that swing trade, pick it up. So let me back this up. I think it's going to head lower. See? It's no confirmation. We're still going lower. You got to wait for these things, those bands to twist and go higher. Then you're going to pick up a sweet little swing trade on gold. Just make sure you know how to get in and then you get out. Look, right there. Boom. That was a confirmation right here. See those bands twist? You put in a buy right there, bounce on that band and all the way up. But then you got to take profit. I mean, what was this after it confirmed and then you hit a 9 count? Oh, okay, it's 3%. But you got to keep doing that. If you want to know where gold's going, yes, it's going both. It goes up and down. Take advantage of those moves. Buy, sell. Dominate stocks. That's my swing trading for 1,000, but I'm today giving 60% off. And then when you're really good and the whole world burns down and we're in a bear market, you can do this one. But wouldn't it be nice? You don't have to listen to the news. You don't have to listen to the CPI, CPI, whatever president is in tells you what's going on. You don't have to listen to that. You just follow the charts. This is a good one though. He's right. Okay. He's definitely right. Investors, because you're not an investor. Maybe you are. Maybe you invest in gold and silver, right? Check. That's good. I'm okay. I'll never front you for holding money. It's not a big deal. It's great. It just sits there. It looks pretty, but don't think, look at my portfolio. It's not. It's nice to have. Most people like money. Investors are sleepwalking into market turmoil and a recession early next year. Oh, so you got plenty of money to make this year. Top economist Steve Hanke, which I don't know if Steve Hanke, if there's any relationship with Mr. Hanky, the Christmas poo. Might be his son. I do not know. Guys, what you do need to know is that in a recession, your beauty pageant or your cheerleaders do not perform well. You're probably gonna lose somewhere between 5% and all of your money. But that's just on the horizon. You're trading this right now. And always stay as close to the entrance as you are the exit. Because some people ask me, like, should I be investing in? No. Should I hodl? No. A week of 1%. That's it. 1% moves on the S&P 500. Tradable symbol SPY could trigger forced selling, which I would love. Because as you know, on this channel, I did 5 trades on the S&P 500 on the daily. And I've been saying you probably want to tighten it to a 4-hour, even a 1-hour on the daily. And I got 4 out of the 5 right. I shorted in a bull market, in this bear market. Complicated. But I've been waiting for a beat down. And it's like so slow moving. And as you know or don't know, you could swing this down. I don't like swinging down. I like swinging up in a bull market. It's better. But yeah, your 9 count came on, finally started to pull back. But this is a slow moving train. And I'm like, just come down. I want it right, come bounce right off of that. And that twists, and then we can put in a buy. I've just been waiting for this beat down. Even the last one, look at this. It's like, oh, that's not even confirmation here. That's just, you just keep going. And what, we're basically at the same price we were a month ago? Great. For those of you, the trolls were like, if I would have, right, bro, over a month ago, you're at the, well, a month ago, you're at the same price. It's done nothing. I mean, this is July 12th. What are we, almost there? Okay, we're 2 days away. We're at the same spot. Also, if you could move your finger to a different spot and click the like button, guys, it really helps out the YouTube stupid thing. But also moving forward, where are we going? I'm going to say not looking good. Yield from cash now exceeds that of stocks. And if you follow this, I'll move this. See the gray areas? These are recessions. Recession. Okay, I'm beating the what kind of horse? Look at the move prior to the recession. Boom. Over and over. Boom. Another one. You don't need the sound effects. Boom. Okay. All right. Now here we are. What do you think? But that doesn't mean that you can't be making money now or even in the money, intrinsic or even extrinsic. So all I do on this channel, are you ready? I'm trying to prepare you. And again, you're making money now. Yep. You're not making money there. That was too small because what happens in the future, get ready for the bear market. I call it a 100-week bear market. That's usually what happens with these inverted yield curves. Everyone's like, what's a yield? What's a curve? What's a bond? The treasury? What is this? Why do people even buy this? Just know, okay? I've been saying this for about 2 years. You're in the front run, the Fed now, flatline, and then it all goes to hell in a handbasket. Hopefully at that point, you will also have my bear market course and you can take advantage of the down market. But right now, just stick with swing trading. We got you there. And then you jump over to bear. And then you have 100 weeks of making moolah. Love you guys. And I will see you tomorrow.